So in this video, we're going to learn how to create exam style learning tasks, right? So in the last videos, we saw how to do it from your saved scheme and from the syllabus. But there's also this one, custom request. So I'm just going to show you this one just briefly because there's nothing much to it really. But the difference is just that in this step number 3, where there's content, you're not choosing from a syllabus and you're not choosing from a saved scheme. You are typing the topics that you want to teach here, right? So it gives you an example. You can just say Form 1 history exercise on Lobengula and the Rad concession. Use 5 short answer questions and 1 essay question, total 20 marks, include a marking guide. So that's the example that is there. But you have to also make sure that you set those up here as well, especially the number of questions. The ones that you specify here are the same that you have to specify here as well, right? And the marks as well, right? So that's just it, right, for this one. But here I'm going to show you the exam style method, right? So I'm just going to select Form 4 here, and I'm going to select Form 4 history, and let me just say from syllabus, right? So I press continue. So we're creating an exam style task, right? So this is not yet available for all the subjects. If it's not available, you won't be able to click this button. But if it's available for your subject, you'll be able to click it because it follows the structure of the exam. It's like for history, it is paper 1 source based, paper 2 structured, and paper 2 structured. I think this one, there's one for local history or Southern African history, and then there's another one for European history between these two papers. I'm not sure, right? So let's say I choose paper 1 source based, right? And I just want one question, and this question is a total of 25 marks, right? And for the duration, you can put the duration that you want here. Since it's one question, maybe I'll say 1 hour. I don't know the history teachers what they'll say. And then for difficulty, let me just say mixed, right? So that's it. That is what I said. So there's one question here with a total of 25 marks. So you see how this one is different. So like I said, I'm picking from my syllabus here. I'll pick the topic. Let's say I pick the Constitution of Zimbabwe. The subtopic is Constitution of Zimbabwe. I'll leave it like that. Maybe functions of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, and I add this as the content. So since it's one question, I'm just going to add this one, right? And it's a source based. So then click on continue. So it's now generating. As long as you see this button is now a little bit grayed out, it's generating the question right now. So now it is done, and I can look here. So because this is a source-based question, here the sources, there's source A and source B, and it is structured in exam style, right? Question 1 is A, B, C with 4 marks, 5 and 5 marks there, and then D, source B also has 5 marks there and 6 marks there, right? So this is structured as an exam. That's basically it. And you also have your answer key here and your marking guide there. So that's the difference from an exam style. So like I said, it's not available for all subjects as of yet. If it's available in your subject, you'll be able to create it. If not, it will still be grayed out as we are still working on these, right? So you can also download as a PDF and as a teacher PDF and as a student PDF. The student PDF, we just have the question, right, and the source there. And then the teacher PDF, like we highlighted in the videos earlier, it will have the answer key and the marking guide, and even the notes as well will be there. All right, so that's it for learning tasks. So see you in the next video.